Your financial footprint, unveiling the secrets of bank reports. These documents hold the key to understanding your financial behavior and history. Your financial history is constantly being recorded and analyzed, creating a detailed picture of your financial habits, forming a critical part of your financial footprint, which can influence your future financial opportunities. Bank reports from agencies like Chex Systems, Early Warning Services, and Innovis provide a detailed account of your banking history, including your past transactions and account statuses. Think of them as your financial report card, reflecting your financial behavior and responsibility, providing a snapshot of your financial responsibility and helping you understand where you stand financially. Understanding these reports is crucial for maintaining a healthy financial life and making informed decisions. Imagine walking into a bank to open a new account, feeling confident about your financial standing, only to be met with unexpected resistance. This can be frustrating and confusing. These scenarios are often a direct result of information contained within these reports, which you might not be aware of. By taking control of your financial narrative and regularly reviewing your bank reports, you empower yourself to navigate the complex world of finance with confidence and clarity. Hidden traps, uncovering common errors in your financial records. While these reports play a vital role, errors can occur. These mistakes can be subtle yet impactful, often going unnoticed until they cause significant issues. Inaccurate information can range from simple typographical errors, such as misspelled names or incorrect dates, to more severe issues like accounts mistakenly attributed to you, which can be incredibly frustrating and time-consuming to resolve. Imagine being held accountable for someone else's financial missteps. This can lead to unnecessary stress and potential financial loss. Outdated information can unfairly portray you in a negative light, affecting your ability to secure loans or other financial services. Identity theft can wreak havoc on your bank reports, damaging your creditworthiness and making it difficult to rebuild your financial standing. Unauthorized activities can make it challenging to access essential financial services, leaving you in a difficult position. Even minor issues like administrative errors can snowball into significant problems, causing delays and additional costs. Misspellings, incorrect addresses, or duplicate entries can create confusion and lead to miscommunication with financial institutions. These errors can have a big impact on your financial reputation, potentially affecting your credit score and future financial opportunities. Remember, even small errors can have a big impact when it comes to your financial reputation. Always review your financial records carefully to catch and correct mistakes early. The domino effect. How inaccurate reports impact your financial freedom. Inaccurate information in your bank reports can impact various aspects of your financial life. Imagine being denied a loan or credit card due to an error on your report. These inaccuracies can hinder your ability to achieve your financial goals. Banks rely heavily on these reports to assess your financial trustworthiness. Errors or negative marks can result in higher interest rates, unfavorable loan terms, or rejections. Landlords and employers may also review these reports, affecting your housing and career prospects. Inaccurate information can lead to missed opportunities in these areas. Your financial history can have a ripple effect on various aspects of your life. Section 4. Taking charge. Your guide to accessing and understanding your bank reports. Obtaining your reports is a straightforward process. Each of the 3 major credit reporting agencies allows consumers to request a free copy of their report annually. To request your report, visit the agency's website and follow the instructions. Once you have your report, review it carefully. Pay close attention to your personal details, account history, and any inquiries made about your credit. Understanding your bank reports is empowering. Make it a habit to request and review your reports at least once a year. By staying informed, you can navigate the complex world of finance with confidence. Section 5. Reclaiming your narrative. Effective strategies for disputing errors and ensuring accuracy. Discovering an error in your bank report can be incredibly frustrating and stressful. It can feel like a daunting task to correct these mistakes. However, you have the right to dispute any errors you find in your reports. This is a crucial step in maintaining your financial health. Start by gathering evidence supporting your claim, such as bank statements, transaction records, and any other relevant documents. Next, contact the credit reporting agency directly to file a dispute. This can often be done online or via mail. Be clear, concise, and provide as much detail as possible in your dispute. The more information you provide, the better. The agency is required to investigate your dispute within a reasonable time frame, usually 30 days. If the investigation confirms an error, the agency must correct the inaccurate information promptly. Persistence is key when it comes to correcting errors and ensuring accuracy. Don't give up if the process takes time. By taking a proactive approach, you can maintain a clean and accurate financial record, opening doors to financial opportunities and peace of mind.